Hey guys, it's Jimmy with Sony. I've got the new RXOI Mark II with me, and I'm going to talk a little bit about it to kind of show you what's new with the camera. Of course, the first thing is looking at the body here. It's a little bit thicker than the RXOI Mark I. The big reason why is because we have an articulating LCD screen that does full 180. So this is a really good setup for vlogging, but also if you need to get a unique angle in a shot, you can do very cool top-down or that vlogging for 180. Other cool improvements we did with the camera is now we have internal 4K video recording at 24 and 30 frames per second, as well as 1080p at 120 frames per second. We still got the 15 megapixel stacked image sensor, which means that we can get up to 32,000th of a second shutter speed, as well as 16 frames per second continuous shooting. This also has advanced IAF, so it'll focus right on the eyeball, and will give us a lot of capabilities when we're shooting in low light with the 1-inch sensor. Anyways, comes out in a couple weeks here early April for $699.